Hey, good morning. Today I have in front of me a Leslie Parsippany RS5T, which belongs to the local railroad, Mass Coastal. And we're going to disassemble the horn for cleaning and inspection of the diaphragms for the silicone around the diaphragms. It's going to get put back together with stainless bolts for the power chambers and the bells, and a couple of the power chambers somebody's gotten into, and instead of using the RS bolts, they have regular bolts that are a bit too short even. I've pulled out all the bolts that hold the bells to the power chambers to the manifold, and I've just left a couple of bolts in the back caps of the power chambers to kind of make this as quick as possible. This is a beautiful horn. It's in really good shape from what I've seen so far. Nice Parsippany chambers. It seems to be all original. I have not found a date stamp, and their tag is missing. Bummer. So here we go. Let's rip this thing apart and see what we got. Bear with me a little bit. It's like 18 degrees out right now. It's a bit chilly. There's the 37 chamber right here. Love my little impact. Well, not looking too bad. Looks pretty clean. Oh, that solves that one. Not stuck anymore. One bad chamber. One bad diaphragm, I should say. Second one. 31 bell. Right here. A little nest of something going on in there. Dead bugs, little fuzz, and no diaphragm at all. Okay, 25 bell is the power chamber for the 25 bell. This one had the original bolts. Come out. Bad diaphragm once again. Silicone's not even attached, but that looks nice and clean. Looks pretty good. Okay. Now we got 44 bell. Not the original bolt, so I'm going to take a guess. There's probably no diaphragm in this. Nope. Plenty of junk. Back cap looks good. Just going to be cleaned up. Nice crisp nozzle. Nice and clean. They look like they may have been sandblasted at one time. Okay, and last but not least, has the factory bolts. There we go, nice and clean, and one bad diaphragm. Nice and clean, Definitely worth diaphragms. I have 5 brand spanking new diaphragms on the shelf. Seeing this is going for a railroad, I absolutely will not use a used diaphragm on this horn whatsoever, because it's all about the safety and the FRA and things working properly. So this will be taken redone the way it should be, 100% with factory parts. Okay, and that's what we got. And for today, that's as far as I'm going with this. Because tonight, me and Critter are so fortunate that, you know, it's hard to say this without a tear in my eye. I'm so happy. We will be having a cab ride for the train to Christmastown, Cape Cod Central Railroad cab ride in the FL9 locomotives to Christmastown and back. This is like a dream come true. And we'll try to get a couple of videos of inside the cab ride and everything. And hopefully I'll get them posted for everybody in a couple of days. For now, I'm going to take and go warm my hands up because they're frozen. And everybody, if I don't get anything else posted before Christmas, Merry Christmas. But I'm going to try to get a couple more things up. We just got a shipment of horn stuff in, and we're going to do an unboxing too. Okay, everybody, you have a marvelous day. And we'll see ya. Oh, to get the bells out, I forgot. The bell's got to come out too. I found this hammer at Home Depot, and it's got a hard rubber spot and a softer rubber spot, and it works great for knocking the bells through. Hey, and there we go. Everything's nice and clean on this. You say somebody got into it, messed with it, and I think then they stole parts. And for diaphragms, maybe for another horn, or who knows. But it seems to be all original. Okay, everybody. Merry Christmas. God bless America. And everybody else too for today. Catch ya.